Hello there. For the last 30 years, we've hosted our Introduction to Dream Tending workshop right here in Santa Barbara, California. Each year, hundreds of people will fly in from all over the world to join us. This year, in addition to me offering the toolkit that I've developed over 30 years on how to work with dreams, I'm going to offer insight into how dreams open creativity and to ease anxiety and agitation. With the current state of the world, we've decided to make this program available to you from the comfort of your own home. The workshop will happen over Zoom, and we'll be adding a particular special level of interactivity to the program that truly makes it special. The beauty is that many cannot make it out to the West Coast. This year, we'll be able to reach out to you wherever you are. Attending the workshop will leave you feeling a sense of ease, a sense of what it's like to experience the restorative and the healing powers of dreams. I look forward to seeing you July 11th and 12th.